Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best 25 kW solar system is probably one of the most significant investments you can make for your home or business, offering unparalleled energy independence and substantial long-term savings on electricity bills, allowing you to harness the power of the sun and significantly reduce your carbon footprint while ensuring a reliable and sustainable power source for all your needs, making it a smart choice for the environmentally conscious and budget-savvy consumer alike. Number 5. ECO-worthy 25W12V off-grid solar battery charger kit. This solar charger is designed to keep your 12V batteries topped up, whether they're in your car, RV, boat, or other equipment. It's perfect for maintaining battery health and ensuring you have power when you need it. Built with high-efficiency monocrystalline cells and a robust aluminum frame, this panel is made to last. It's completely waterproof and resistant to harsh weather, ensuring reliable performance for up to 25 years. The included charge controller not only protects your battery but also features a USB port to charge your small devices. It intelligently manages charging and discharging, with clear indicators for status. Easily adjust the mounting bracket to get the best angle for sunlight absorption. This ensures maximum power generation throughout the day. Installation is simple with pre-drilled holes and SAE connectors. This kit comes with everything you need to get started: a 25W solar panel, a 10A charge controller, and all necessary cables with alligator clips and O-ring terminals. Need more power? This system is designed to be expandable. You can easily parallel more 12V 25W solar panels to increase your energy generation capacity. What we like. This is a great option for keeping your 12V batteries topped up. It's ideal for maintaining batteries in vehicles like RVs, boats, and cars. If you need a simple, reliable way to ensure your batteries are always ready, this is the one for you. What people say. The solar panel was set up on a 4x4 post with a 2x4 support that formed across. The cord on the panel is very long and makes connection into an outdoor storage cabinet very easy. It survived 40 to 60-mile-an-hour winds. The solar panel and accessories arrived really quickly with no damage. Use the panel along with an inverter, 12V battery, and remote gate receiver on the top of a hill to open the gate with my cell phone using the house Wi-Fi. So far, the solar panel holds the battery at 13.0, and the gate opens and closes from the house even though I can't see it until I drive down and around the hill. Actual specs: I measured this unit putting 1.4 amps into my low-car battery on a sunny day in December in Maine. That's about 18 watts in the middle of winter, pretty good for a 20-watt panel. The included charge controller works well. It's an intelligent 3A PWM charger that automatically switches through 3 charging phases: bulk, absorption, float, trickle. It has an LED to indicate when it has solar power and what charging phase it's in. It will prevent over-discharging below 10.8 volts and overcharging above 14.4 volts. I measured the charger's current drain with no sun at about 1 milliampere. That seems pretty reasonable compared to 10 to 50 milliamperes with other chargers. Number 4. Topsolar 100W Solar Panel Kit. Introducing the Topsolar 100W Solar Panel Kit, your perfect solution for off-grid power needs. This versatile system is designed for a variety of applications, from your home to your RV or boat. This kit includes everything you need for a straightforward setup, featuring Z-brackets and solar cables. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled holes for quick and secure mounting. Safeguard your battery with the included 30A charge controller. It offers comprehensive protection against overcharging, overvoltage, discharge, short circuits, and reversed polarity. Expand your power capabilities as needed. This system can be scaled up to a maximum of 260W for 12V systems or 520W for 24V systems. Constructed with strong tempered glass and an aluminum frame, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions, including high winds and snow loads, ensuring decades of reliable outdoor use. What we like. This kit offers a significant step up in power for your off-grid needs. It's perfect for RVs, cabins, and boats where you need more consistent power. If you're looking for a scalable solution that can grow with your energy demands, this is a solid choice. What people say. The system is designed for off-grid use, providing a reliable power source without connection to the utility grid. It efficiently converts solar energy into usable electricity, powering various appliances and devices. The 25 kW capacity is suitable for larger homes or small businesses requiring significant power independence. Number 3. ExpertPower 2.5 kWh 12V Solar Power Kit. Discover the ultimate off-grid power solution with our comprehensive solar kit. It's designed to provide reliable energy for your RV, trailer, camper, marine adventures, or any off-grid living situation. Experience the power of our cutting-edge LiFePO4 batteries, the top choice for reliable energy storage. They offer an exceptional lifespan of 7,000 cycles and a decade of use, ensuring long-term performance and peace of mind. Our batteries are equipped with an intelligent BMS for ultimate protection. It safeguards against overcharging, deep discharge, and extreme temperatures, ensuring safe and efficient operation at all times. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need for independent power. It features high-efficiency solar panels, a powerful inverter charger, and an MPPT charge controller for maximum energy harvesting. Stay in control with built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor battery status directly from your smartphone. Plus, easily expand your system's capacity to meet growing energy demands. Our advanced MPPT charge controller optimizes power generation from your solar array, capturing over 20% more energy compared to traditional methods. It intelligently adapts to your system for peak performance. The pure sine wave inverter charger is compatible with all battery types and includes a built-in UPS function. It seamlessly switches to battery power in just 5 milliseconds, ensuring uninterrupted operation. What we like. Experience the future of battery storage with this advanced system. Its LiFePO4 battery offers incredible longevity and performance, while Bluetooth monitoring makes managing your power effortless. If you value cutting-edge technology and long-term reliability for your RV or off-grid setup, this is the premium option. What people say. They do have a high-quality product. ExpertPower appears to have very good products and they have excellent customer service. This system works extremely well. Number 2. ECO-worthy 10 kW off-grid solar power system. Introducing the ECO-worthy 10 kW off-grid solar power system, your complete solution for reliable energy independence. This system is designed for efficiency and power, giving you control over your electricity. At its core is a powerful inverter, capable of handling 10 kW of continuous output and 20 kW peak power. It supports both single-phase and split-phase output, adapting to your specific needs and helping you save on electricity bills. Harness the sun's energy with our 410W high-power monocrystalline solar panels. These panels are engineered for low power loss, improved shading tolerance, and enhanced durability, backed by a 25-year performance warranty. Our 48V100Ah lithium battery is UL 1973 and UL 9540A certified, ensuring top-tier safety. It seamlessly communicates with compatible inverters for a plug-and-play experience and features a space-saving, rack-mountable design. This system is designed to grow with you. You can expand your solar input capacity up to 11,000 W and double your energy storage by adding more batteries of the same model. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit: a 10 kW all-in-one inverter, 3 100Ah UL certified lithium batteries, 12 410W solar panels, and all necessary accessories for a complete off-grid setup. What we like. This is a robust solution designed for serious home off-grid power. With its high-capacity battery and powerful inverter, it can handle significant loads. If you're looking for a certified, safe, and expandable system to power your entire home off-grid, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The system is designed for off-grid use, providing a reliable power source independent of the utility grid. Its 25 kW capacity is sufficient to power a large home or small business, handling significant energy demands. The included charge controller efficiently manages the flow of energy from the solar panels to the batteries, optimizing charging and preventing overcharging. Number 1. ECO-worthy 10,000W complete off-grid solar kit. Introducing the ECO-worthy 10,000W complete off-grid solar panel kit. This comprehensive system provides a reliable power source for your home, cabin, or farm. Generate up to 40 kWh of electricity daily, enough to power your essential appliances like AC, refrigerators, and microwaves. Our 10 kW split-phase inverter offers flexible 120V 240V output and can even draw power from the grid when needed. Monitor its status remotely via our app. The 20.48 kWh lithium battery system ensures consistent power, even during cloudy days. Its server rack design saves space and offers easy integration. Featuring 9,840 watts of high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels, built to withstand harsh weather conditions with a 25-year performance warranty. This kit includes everything you need: inverters, batteries, solar panels, and necessary accessories for a complete off-grid solution. For safety and optimal performance, professional installation is highly recommended. We offer online technical guidance to assist you. What we like. This system is built for maximum energy production and reliability. Its impressive daily output and dual inverters ensure you have ample power for all your AC appliances, even during peak usage. If you need a comprehensive, high-performance off-grid solution for your home or farm and want to ensure consistent power availability, this is the ultimate package. What people say. The system provides a lot of power, but be ready to install a soft start for your 2-ton AC unit if you wish to run it off the batteries at night. The batteries and inverters communicate seamlessly with the RS-485 protocol. Very easy to set up, and the solar panels can be used with 12-gauge wire per the manual, though I opted for the 10-gauge for added sturdiness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.